In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a countdown on Squarespace. Whether you're gearing up for a product launch, a special event, or a sale, adding a countdown can create a sense of urgency and excitement among your visitors. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. To begin, we'll need to use an external tool to generate our countdown timer. A popular choice is Elfsight, which provides a variety of customizable templates for different purposes. For example, they offer options like product launch or sale banner, which you can tailor to fit the theme and design of your website. Once you've navigated to Elfsight, take a moment to browse through the available templates. Choose the one that best suits your needs and aligns with the aesthetic of your site. This is an important step because the right template can significantly enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your countdown. After selecting your template, it's time to set your target date and time. This is essentially the deadline or the event time that your countdown is leading up to. Be precise with this information to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good and you've customized the countdown to match your expectations, go ahead and publish it. Elfsight will then generate a code snippet for you. This snippet is crucial because it's what you'll use to embed the countdown on your Squarespace site. Now let's move over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you'd like the countdown to appear. Click on the edit button to enter the page editor. Within the editor, you'll want to add a new block. Look for the option labeled add block, and from the list of available blocks, select code. This is where you'll paste the snippet you copied earlier from Elfsight. Once you have the code block open, simply paste the snippet into the provided text area. Squarespace will automatically process this code and display your countdown timer on the page. Be sure to save your changes before exiting the editor to ensure that everything is properly updated on your live site. And there you have it, a fully functional countdown timer on your Squarespace website. This simple addition can make a big difference in engaging your visitors and driving them to take action before the deadline. Remember, the key to an effective countdown is not just the timer itself, but also how it integrates with your site's overall design and messaging. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to revisit the Elfsight platform's help section or Squarespace's support documentation for more detailed troubleshooting advice. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create a compelling countdown for your next big event.